Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. I am Fatin Amalina Rusli. My matrix number is D201810849020. On this week, our lecturer given us a task to make seafood aglio olio pasta. Let's get started. This is the ingredient to make pasta. First, we have 100 gram wheat flour, 100 gram salmonella flour, 2 eggs, and also 1 tablespoon olive oil. First, we put wheat flour on the table. Next, we will be adding salmonella flour, but we are using sifter because it will break any lump in salmonella flour. As you can see, there is a lot of lump, so that's why we need to filter it. Next, make a hole in the middle of the flour because we will be putting an egg on the middle of the flour. Okay, mix all salmonella flour and wheat flour with an egg. Make sure every flour and egg is mixed well. If you have a tool such as a branch scraper, you can use that to mix all of this together, because if you use hand, it will be sticky like this. But don't mind, just use whatever that you have. And now, as you can see that our dough is already round shape, so that we are going to stir it a little more, and then we are going to put olive oil. Okay, to put olive oil, you have to press the dough like this, and then we will put some olive oil, about 1 tablespoon, right in the middle. Then stir it and make it beautiful round like this, and then using a plastic, put in the middle and close it tight like this, and keep in fridge for 30 minutes. Okay, after 30 minutes, you can take out the dough to start making pasta. Firstly, I will sprinkle the flour on the table so the dough will not stick on the table. And I will be putting dough on the roller so it will not stick on the roller too. And then we are going to start rolling the dough. Roll the dough until it's a little bit thicker, just like this. And now I will be cutting side of the dough because I am going to make it square, a long square shape, so it will be easier to make the pasta. And now I will be using manual pasta machine, so it will be easy that I don't have to cut it one by one, so that the machine is making itself just like this, and then you see the pasta will come out from down there. Put a little bit of flour, and then to make sure that the pasta won't be sticky each other, and that's how you make a pasta. The ingredient to make aglio olio pasta, we have pasta that I already boiled. Next we have Holland onion, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and also olive oil. And now for our seafood, we have squid, prawn, and also clam that I already boiled. Next, we have mushroom and chili flake, seasoning powder and black pepper, and lastly, an Italian herbs, parsley, oregano, basil, and rosemary. This is the Italian herbs. Firstly, heat our pan and then put olive oil 1 tablespoon. Next, insert Holland onion and garlic. After the onion and garlic are already cooked, we are going to put a squid. After the squid is almost done, we'll insert the clam. Next, we'll be putting 1 tablespoon chili flake. After mix it, put some mushroom. At this point, I changed the pan because I will be cooking for 3 to 4 people. So I have to change the pan. Next, insert the prawn. And next, we're going to put an Italian herbs, a parsley, a oregano, a basil, and a rosemary. Next, we will put a pasta that already boiled. Insert 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon seasoning powder. And then lastly, 1 teaspoon Parmesan cheese. And then stir it until all the ingredients are combined and tasty. And that's how you make seafood aglio olio pasta. Okay, this is how I plating. As you can see the prawn, squid, mushroom, and also the clam right here. And as you can see, it's a square shape right there, and around it I put parsley, and that's it. Thank you.